If you're a fitness professional or fitness enthusiast and you haven't monetized yourself yet, meaning you're not getting paid for offering free workout advice or free nutrition tips on Instagram, TikTok, wherever you're at, then you're really missing out. Hi, my name is Jai Ricardo Walker. I'm just known as Ricardo on Instagram. For the last several years, I've been a fitness coach, and I primarily help my clients with fat loss, getting strong in the gym, things of that nature. Now, as of late, a lot of people have been asking me, how do you make your money? Like, where did you start? I have no clue where to start, Jai. I would love to start on this platform or that platform or start my own website and all of that, but I'm just kind of lost. And to be honest with you guys, I started on a platform called Fiverr. Now, for those of you who don't know what Fiverr is a freelance platform typically known for video creators, marketing professionals, graphic designers, people like that. It's not really known for fitness professionals. Like, it doesn't scream, hey, fitness professionals, come here and sell your services. That's not what Fiverr is intended for, right? However, at the time, when I had my own website, nothing was working out, I got a little frustrated. I'm like, hey, why not look at other marketplaces to offer my services on? And that's when I discovered Fiverr. So I was conducting my research and I was taking a look and I was like, wow, there are hardly any successful fitness coaches on here if you compare to every other seller out there, you know, like video editors and all of them. There aren't many successful ones. And the ones that are successful, I can see areas of improvement. So what did I do? I created a Fiverr profile. I started offering my own service on Fiverr. And what I did is, based on the research that I conducted, I took what was good from certain profiles and I left what wasn't somewhere else, and I kind of made my own thing out of it. And guess what? 4 or 5 months down the line, once I finally, did enough trial and error, and I did a lot of that. I made a lot of mistakes at the beginning, and hopefully this YouTube channel will help you avoid the same mistakes I made. But yeah, a lot of trial and error, but I finally cracked the code after, I would say, about 4 months, 5 months. I remember I made my first organic sale and I was so happy. I was like over the moon. I was like, shit, I actually made money online. It's awesome. And then 6 months later, I'm making hundreds of dollars a month, and I even crossed the $1,000 threshold. I actually did that for several months on end. Now, some of you are probably wondering how. Well, first and foremost, I didn't have any expectation, guys. Like, I didn't go on Fiverr thinking I was going to make $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 a month. I literally just wanted to make 100 bucks. That was my goal. That was my goal as a fitness coach when I first started off. And I happened to 10x, 11x, 12x that. Okay, and the reason why I did that is because I was delivering value to my clients. I like to call them MVPs, most valuable prospect. Keep that in your head. Anyway, I was making quite a bit of money on Fiverr as a side hustle. It was awesome side money. I could save up for trips, I could save up for certain items that I really wanted, or I could just invest some of that money back into the business or into finances, and it was really awesome. All right, but I really focused on delivering value to my prospect, and I also approached things strategically. I took my time with things. I didn't rush the process, but to say that it was life-changing, I mean, that's an understatement, because I wouldn't be where I am now if it wouldn't have been for Fiverr. Now, Fiverr isn't easy, right? But it's definitely easy to start. Once you're in it, it can be difficult. You have to kind of find a way to get your SEO on point. You have to find a way to attract clients to your gig. You have to try to drive traffic to your social media page or Fiverr page. Guys, as you can see, I need a nap. Anyway, you need to drive traffic to your Fiverr page from your social media to, try to potentially make more sales. It's not always easy, okay? Fiverr is challenging, but once again, I made this YouTube channel so that I can show you how to make money on the side as a fitness coach, start monetizing yourself without all the hassle, without all the mistakes I made. Now, some of you might also be wondering, like, what can I actually offer on Fiverr? What can I provide to prospects who are interested in working with me? Well, to be honest with you, you can offer anything and everything. I offered quite a bit of services on Fiverr as I developed my skills and was making more money and was trying to find ways to scale the business, right? You can offer customized fitness programs, you can offer diet plans, you can offer coaching, you can offer UGC content. There are so many different things that you can offer on Fiverr, so you can definitely get creative with it. You just need to make sure that what you're offering is actually something people need. You also need to price your services fairly, because you need to understand that Fiverr is more of a low ticket / mid ticket platform. It's not known for high ticket type of services, okay? And those who are selling high ticket, they've been around the block a few times. Like, they've been on the platform for like 15 years. They probably have like 1,000 5-star reviews. yeah, it's crazy, guys. I actually have around 300 5-star reviews, and that took me 3 years, okay? Actually 2 years, because the last year I haven't been so active on Fiverr. I kind of moved on to different things that I'm more interested in, but I'm still active on the platform from time to time. Anyway, I digress. You just have to make sure that whatever you're offering is going to be something that people actually need. And I'm going to tell you right now, it's a little bit different from when I started. At that time, people were just into a customized fitness program. They were fine with that. Now, people want like very specific things, like a carnivore diet plan, or they want a plant-based meal schedule. Like, they want very specific things, and that's exactly what you're going to have to go for. Like, what do you specialize in? What am I really good at? What could I offer to the Fiverr world that people would be interested in? Look at your content. What are people most interested in whenever you post content on Instagram? What do family members or friends say about you? Do they say, man, you really know your stuff in terms of strength training? Oh, man, you really know your stuff in terms of cooking healthy meals. What do you know how to do that you could offer, and how could you make it hyper specific so your audience is actually interested in those services? But that's pretty much it for the video today, guys. I just wanted to give you an idea of how my fitness coaching journey started on Fiverr and what's possible on that platform. I think there's a lot of potential for people who aren't making money right now to start monetizing themselves and making a good solid side income from Fiverr. Of course, that might not be your last stop, but it can definitely be your beginning. So once again, just to give you a little bit of a recap, make sure that you approach things strategically, you stay realistic in terms of prices, and you offer something that people actually want to buy. Okay. If you want to start your side hustle on Fiverr today, you can use my affiliate link down below to create your profile. I do get a little something just to support this channel, so I do appreciate it. If you want to build Fiverr from the ground up, meaning from point A all the way to point Z, to getting your first sale, I'm actually coming out with a guide soon on how to do that. It's going to probably be around 80 pages or so, 90 pages, not too long. It's going to be a fun read. You can just send me an email at info@flexfitcoaching.com. I don't know why I pointed down here. I'm probably going to put the email up here. But yeah, it's that simple. Just send me an email, say I'm interested in the guide, and then you're going to have access to the early bird prices. Thank you for watching the video. If you did like it, please hit the like button. Also subscribe to the channel, hit the notification icon. I'm going to try to release one of these videos every week to continue providing you tips and advice on how to start your side hustle, especially on platforms like Fiverr and other ways you can earn money and maybe, just maybe, potentially turn it into a full-time income one day. Have a great day, and until next time.